Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I got something super cool here. Let me grab it for you. I have the Nomad Base Station Apple Watch Edition. Now this is super cool. What this will allow you to do is charge your Apple Watch and any wireless Qi charging device, whether it be your smartphone or let's say you have some AirPod Pros like I have. And this is a great way to get rid of all the clutter that I have on my nightstand. So for you, if you have a nightstand, desk, or anything where you have multiple cables, now this will bring them all together into one device with one power cord. That's right, you don't even need the one for the Apple Watch. I have my Series 5 Apple Watch and this will go perfectly on there. So I'm gonna stop talking, I'm gonna bring the camera in, we're gonna unbox it and check it out. Also, I'm going to be giving away some Apple Watch bands made by Nomad, some nice leather ones, as well as some iPhone 11 Pro leather cases by Nomad as well. So stay tuned towards the end of this video. I'll tell you how to go ahead and enter that contest, and I'll be giving a few away. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Super excited. Okay, and bam, there it is. All right, so we have it here, and I'm loving the fact that it already has the Apple Watch charger integrated into it. You don't need to bring a separate Apple Watch charger and wire it to this. It's already built in. And wow, it's a nice leather finish. Looking on the back here, it's got some rubber feet for you so it doesn't slide. Okay, let's put that here. And looks like on the inside of there, it's telling you the different orientations. You can go ahead and put your wireless devices with the 3 coils it has in there. Okay, now we have the power cord here, and it looks like they also have adapters for whatever region you may be in. So let's put some devices on it and see it charging. Let me go ahead and plug this in. Okay, so while I'm getting this ready, let me show you a shot of my current charging situation. So as you can see, this will be a vast improvement. Oh yeah, I didn't want to leave out, look at this on the back. It has an ambient light sensor. Now you're like, what is that for? These guys are so well thought out. In the front, it will lower the brightness of the LEDs depending on how much light it detects. That way when you're going to sleep, it's not annoying and all in your face and you're like, oh God, I wish that wasn't as bright. Pretty cool, right? Right. I like how it even has this rubber pad right here so it doesn't scratch or damage your Apple Watch. Now this Apple Watch base station has a durable frame housed in precision molded aircrafted aluminum grade body with gunmetal gray finish. Compatible with nightstand mode on your Apple Watch so it's easy for you to see the time and date. Now they added a padded leather wireless charging surface with a soft finish for your phone to rest on. They took the time to build the base station Apple Watch to be as thin as possible, allowing you to interact with the nightstand mode by tapping on your nightstand. Now they meticulously designed the base station Apple Watch for aesthetics and convenience. With 3 coils, they have it so you could place your devices in any orientation, such as your AirPods, wireless charging case, or your Apple Watch for simultaneously seamless charging. Okay, so now that I have it plugged in and ready to go, let's put on my devices here. Series 5 Apple Watch, stainless steel edition, and as you can see, that's charging. Then I'll go ahead and put on the new AirPod Pros in the charging case, and let's go ahead and put that there. And now that's charging. And if you're ever wondering if something's charging, you could see the LED indicator right there on the lower part. And then now I have my iPhone 11 Pro, as you can see there. Let's go ahead and put it on the charger. Okay, so there it is. 3 devices all charging on just one base station, and you only need 1 cable. Now I'll be honest, I'm thinking about either getting another base station or taking this one with me when I travel. Because if you think about it, every time my wife and I travel, we end up taking like 5 or 6 cables. You know, because at nighttime, I want to charge my AirPod Pros, my phone, and my watch. So that's 3 cables simultaneously. Then my wife has the same setup. So now we're talking 6 cables. Okay, maybe 5 if we're rotating. But you know what I mean? Now all of that is just consolidated into one device. And I absolutely love it. Okay, so that's it. I absolutely love it. You see the website right there on the screen, and I have a direct link in the description. All right, thanks to our good friends over there at Nomad, here is the stuff I'm going to be giving away. I have 3 straps I'm going to be giving away, as well as the 2 leather cases shown in the unboxings. So yeah, go ahead and comment in the comment section, and good luck. Laters. All right, I got some super cool giveaways from Nomad, and you want to know how to enter? Well, it's simple. All you got to do is leave a comment in the comment section. Now, I'm just going to randomly pick somebody in the comment section. The only thing I want to say is make sure to watch your notifications, because if I reply to you and say, hey, send me a DM on Twitter with all of your information so I can send you this giveaway, you got to make sure you reply, because there have been times I've done that and then people don't reply. Then I got to pick somebody else. So that sucks, right? Right. But anyways, this super cool Nomad gear can be yours. You just got to enter. Laters.